I'm about to put the glue in the bin, so I'm about to be right back.
Yeah, you got some.
I put the glue in with purple.
We're gonna have to.
And then now I gotta use
She done messed up her stuff already.
glitter.
You're not supposed to do that. Hold on, Maya. Don't use all that glitter, Maya.
I'm not.
Maya, you can put too much glitter.
You got too much. She do got too much in there. Remember the wrong color in your thing. I thought I grabbed green out of here and grabbed the pink.
Unless it don't turn red.
You want the glitter? What
I
kind
got
of glitter
glitter.
you want, Harry?
In there.
You want gold glitter or you want to do a different color glitter?
So, start it.
I'm like that now. All the shit I done been through and all the mess I done took, huh?
I used to use time when I was in middle.
No, I'm saying when I was carrying, I ain't had no child in so long when I was having children.
Here, Maya.
It started, Mama.
Alright.
I ain't gonna take this.
Girl, Karen spent her money and got it right back.
So,
What you mean?
I'm
It's
getting.
Sister Terry in there.
So, I'm getting. I put the
Where
tie,
your money at?
and then I put it in there.
Hold on, I'm trying to get it out. Oh, they gave you some. Gave $10 piece.
Mama, I gave you my money, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
So, it's mixing.
Stir it, stir it.
Got slime already.
Yeah, I took all the trash and went burning in that barrel right there.
So, me and my sisters are making slime.
Maya, you ain't gotta talk.
And
She doing a video.
personal bin.
Why you such a hater?
I want to do a video.
I'm videoing you, babe. Talk on your phone.
There you go. Get it all mixed up there, Maya. Go there.
Slime. She a pro at it because she sneaks and do it.
Ah.
I
Yesterday,
used to be the sneaker.
but I sneak making slime. But one time, Mommy said she found a cup of it in the pantry with the third part.
It was slime. She just put too much gold color in it.
Slime. Yeah, we got slime. I need to put a little more glue in it.
You didn't put some more glue in that too, Mama.
Cause I got too much
Liquids, huh? Yeah, they.
I gotta do my twig. You don't put some more.
I'm gonna be right there. I gotta put some more time.
I need some more glue.
Why you such a hater? I'm videoing you, babe. Talk on your phone.
So what you see is that I added some more glue. So
Because she sneaks and do it.
I'm gonna stir it. Stir it up. Then I need to add a little more. Okay. That's good. Let's go.
It's slime. It's slime.
What you see here, I have slime. So I'm gonna keep stirring it.
I got slime, Mama. I got slime.
She doing a video. Why you such a hater? I'm videoing you, babe. Talk on your phone. Don't put no phone.
Some more glitter in
She a
there.
pro at it because she sneaks and do it.
I want to put it like, I want to put like 2 drops of green in mine. So I can do like a green glue.
Slime. Yeah, we got. She doing a video.
So it's in there. So I'm gonna stir it. And
Stop all of that whining. She doing a video. That's what you're doing, talking like that. You're whining.
Like the boy.
my second grade teacher, she said all we had to bring her is some wine, so we could start some cheese and some cheese crackers and some wine. So she don't have
She don't go crazy.
Cause we be whining. She said we be whining too much. And here we go. Yeah. Gonna put my finger in. When you add water in, it's gonna be more stickier. So I ain't gonna add no water. That stuff smell good. We need to start using it in our clothes.
I used to use it in our clothes.
And that when we was in an apartment, huh?
Get your spoon, baby.
Mommy,
So this slime,
my elbow is very itchy.
cause it's slime. How is your elbow itchy?
Oh my god. No.
And I'm sure you're gonna be happy because it's slime.
Oh my god.
So if you wanna try this out, you can. So my slime is made.
Oh.
It's so pretty.
Mine's pretty too.
There's some glitter in my. Can I just say it?
What your glitter look like? Oh, I ain't had none of this one. I had it.
We have slime time. We have slime. Give me some of that glitter.
What color?
Give me that pink one.
Oh!
Carrie, don't use all of it now.
When I picked it up, it was gone.
Hey.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean
Oh,
to.
the glitter.
I'm sorry, Mommy. Mommy, I thought you gave me the purple. This ain't no purple. Man, I'm sorry, Mommy.
one.
I didn't mean to.
It's all right.
It's just glitter, Maya.
Not a big deal.
You just pull it out.
Mommy,
What you get?
why you pass me the green?
Mommy, why you in my video?
I need 2 drops. I need the
It's all right.
green.
She gotta get over here anyway to get the stuff.
And now I'm gonna add 2 more drops of food on it. Except it's different color. Is
You rolling, ma?
for our first time. Well, not my first time, but like my 3rd, 4th, 5th time making.
Really,
slime.
Maya? You ain't have to add that in.
For 50th time. We know.
For 6 millionth time.
Y'all just mad 'cause I know how to make slime before y'all.
Do it again.
Y'all, this is so fun to play with.
And y'all will.
Thank you. I said thank you 1,000 times.
You want to get some more?
So if your mom hates slime, don't make it. Unless you're hiding sneakily. Yeah.
Mommy,
You say what?
I can't believe you know that you don't like slime. Like you hate slime. You hate slime.
We just gotta be thankful for what she buys us. Who said you were? Oh, my sister's filming her video over there. And I mean it. Ooh, and I mean yours too. What's that?
We need.
Is it blue? Yes, it's How much stitching? Got my glitter. Glitter still on. So it's fun to make. And if you want to make it, you can, but you gotta be around someone like somebody that's older that can tell you you can. What?
They love slime.
I know.
They're addicted to slime.
Everybody addicted to slime.
Yeah, from the children found out it was so easy to make.
Mommy, Devin is the only person.
Because you're going to keep wetting and put it back in the container.
Who loves hugs?
No, Devin, he in my class.
He don't know how to make
He's the
slime.
only one who likes school.
Oh.
The only one in my class who likes school.
Ain't nothing wrong with like this school.
So like I used to like school, but until I got to 3rd grade. Haley said
I love school.
Haley said she don't like school no more. Haley said because in 2nd grade Miss Hughes used to be nice, and she used to get we used to get coloring sheets, and now we don't get nothing.
Y'all older now.
I'm only 1 minute older. Don't cry.
Don't cry, hey, like that's it.
My people be making big deals. They be like, I'm older than you. They twins because they like a minute
or
older.
5 minutes older. She 1 minute older. Hey,
And then this man here like,
Marlon
I'm the big brother. I'm the big brother. How are you the big brother? I'm 2 minutes older. I'm 2 minutes older. Really?
A whole 120 seconds.
Alright.
I had my hands.
Yeah, your what?
It's cute.
My hands.
I like mine.
Your mama made slime.
Yeah. You playing with it like you like it, mommy?
She do because she made it for the first time. Like, when I found out it was so easy, I love making slime. When I found out
Mommy,
it was
slime is just so satisfying.
I'm the mama.
Yes, here's my mother who let us do it.
And the baby on the way.
There's a baby on the way. This is my mama.
He made you
She's
buy the
let us
slime,
make
mommy.
it.
And that's the baby.
Yes. So we're making slime and it's so fun. See?
Excited to be a big sister zone?
Then you can make bubbles with it,
I
like.
thought she was gonna be like mad because she wasn't gonna be the little.
She didn't want to be the baby anymore.
It's cool. And you can add how much glitter you want, cause it's fun and people love slime. I got pink slime.
You have to put it in your
It's
bed.
crunchy,
You
kind
have to
of.
get it out the container so you can work it so it starts to dry out a little.
Dry out. Alright, I'm gonna stop my video here. Thanks for watching.